Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enter cheat codes in GTA San Andreas Netflix. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To use cheat codes in GTA San Andreas Netflix, the first thing you need to do is launch the game. Once the game starts, head over to the in-game map and tap on it. This will bring up additional menu options. From the menu, click on the Options button. Inside the Options menu, look at the top right corner and select Accessibility. Now, under Accessibility Settings, you'll see an option called Enter Cheat Code. Tap on that. Here, you can enter any cheat code you want. Simply type in your desired cheat, whether it's for unlimited health, weapons, money, or something else, and then hit the Claim or Confirm button. As soon as you activate the code, it will instantly apply in the game. You'll see the effects immediately. For example, I'm now entering a cheat code myself, and you can see it working in real time. And that's it. So that's basically how you can enter cheat codes in GTA San Andreas Netflix. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.